from a severe concussion, and we're out here just answering math problems and collecting notebooks. Yeah, seems like a totally normal day at Baldi's schoolhouse. All right, let's move along. Try not to think too hard about I was not expecting the music. I do have to say though, like, anytime I get the opportunity to hear this bop of a song, I am so damn. I love this song. It's so good. It really does a great job of like amping you up when you're in a boss fight. So I guess we're about to experience a boss fight. Baldi? Hello? Oh my gosh. Dude, what? Is he... Did he wake up from knocking himself out with the Grimace Shake? Everything is purple right now. And it's like weird effect on the screen. Did I drink some of the Grimace Shake? I don't know. I don't feel so good. I don't like this. I really don't like this. Is he still here? Baldi? I really don't like this. Is he still here? Baldi?
Brilliant. Sacco Buffo. Woody, you're gonna be Hollywood's